Welcome. If you want to set password on your application in OPPO A91, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now just scroll down and click on the fingerprint face and the password. Tap on the privacy password. Turn on this option. Right now we have to input the password. Do the same and confirm. And there's the question, the name of our teacher. We can change it, of course. I'll add the custom questions. Click on it down if you write the answer right here. And let's tap on the app log. So maybe we can try to log calendar, Gmail, and also Google Lens. Tap on the encrypt. And right now, when you're going to open the calendar, we have to input our password. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.